Hello there! Today let's celebrate something truly special, brown eyes. Some say they're ordinary, but brown eyes are anything but plain. They're a blend of rich chocolate, warm honey, and even the deep forest at twilight. With golden flecks and endless depth, they're a canvas for creativity. Brown eyes are like a secret superpower, versatile and full of warmth. With makeup, you can make them soft for a quiet day or bold for a night out. Their warmth pairs beautifully with so many colors. It's a party on your eyelids. The real magic? Their inviting, natural richness. Makeup doesn't hide brown eyes, it amplifies their beauty. Think of it as putting a perfect jumper on Wallace. Just a little extra flair. Today, we're unlocking all the dazzling looks hidden in your makeup bag. We'll explore shimmering golds, mysterious purples, and earthy bronzes. Even beginners can master these simple tricks. By the end, you'll see your eyes in a whole new light. Brown eyes aren't just brown, they're brilliant. Let's show the world just how stunning they can be. Ready for a grand day out? Let's get cracking. Off we go! Now let's get practical. What are the best looks for brown eyes? If you've ever stood in front of a mirror, makeup brush in hand, and wondered which shades will make your eyes pop, you're not alone. Brown eyes are incredibly versatile, and with the right makeup, you can highlight their warmth, depth, and sparkle in ways you never imagined. First up, the golden gaze. Shimmering golds and warm bronzes make brown eyes glow, picking up those hidden flecks and making your eyes look brighter. These metallic tones are like a spotlight for your eyes, catching the light with every blink and adding a touch of luxury to your look. It's a classic, foolproof look that works for both day and night, whether you're heading to work or out for a special occasion. Next, the purple passion. Lavender, plum, and deep violet create a stunning contrast, making brown eyes look richer and more dramatic. These shades are especially striking in the evening, adding a mysterious, enchanting vibe to your style. Perfect for when you want to feel glamorous, daring, or just a little bit magical. Then, the smoldering smudge. Deep browns, charcoals, and navy blues blended along the lash line give a sultry, mysterious effect, effortlessly chic. This look is all about subtle drama, perfect for those who want to make a statement without going over the top. It's bold, but quietly confident, and it pairs beautifully with both casual and formal outfits. Finally, the cobalt flash. A pop of blue eyeliner, cobalt or navy, makes the whites of your eyes brighter and the brown more intense. This unexpected twist is a favorite among makeup artists for its ability to instantly modernize your look. Just a sharp line along the top lashes is all you need for a wow moment. It's a small detail that makes a big impact, especially in photos or under bright lights. It's unexpected, modern, and exciting, guaranteed to turn heads and spark compliments. Each look is like choosing the right invention for the job, tailored to make your brown eyes shine. Think of your makeup kit as a toolbox, filled with creative gadgets just waiting to be explored. Whether you want classic, bold, or adventurous, there's a look for every mood. You can switch it up daily, matching your makeup to your outfit, your plans, or even your mood. Don't be afraid to experiment. Your eyes are the star of the show. Every new shade or technique is a chance to discover something fresh and exciting about your style. With these contraptions, you'll always have the perfect look up your sleeve. It's like having a secret stash of beauty tricks, ready for any occasion. Let's dive in and try them out. The world of makeup is your playground, and your brown eyes are about to steal the spotlight. Your brown eyes are ready for their close-up. Get ready to see them in a whole new light. Pick your favorite, and let's get started. The adventure begins with just one swipe of color. The right colors can transform your whole look, boosting your confidence and letting your personality shine through. It's all about having fun and finding what makes you feel brilliant. Remember, makeup is meant to be playful, so don't be afraid to get creative and enjoy the process. On to the next invention. Your journey to eye-catching, unforgettable looks is just getting started. Time for a bit of color theory. Don't worry, it's simple and actually pretty fun. Understanding how colors work together can totally transform the way you choose your makeup. Imagine all the colors you know arranged in a big circle. This is called the color wheel. Artists and makeup lovers use it as a guide to create beautiful combinations. Colors that sit directly across from each other on the wheel are called complementary colors. When you pair them, they make each other stand out and look more vibrant. Now, brown isn't actually on the color wheel, but it's made by mixing red, yellow, and blue together. That's why brown often has warm undertones like a cozy sunset. So what's the opposite of those warm, earthy tones? It's blue. Blue sits across from brown's undertones, which is why blue shades look absolutely stunning with brown eyes. Blue contrasts beautifully with the orange and red hints in brown, making your eyes appear even deeper and more intense. It's like giving your eyes a spotlight. Right next to blue on the wheel is purple. Purple is special because it both contrasts and harmonizes with brown eyes, offering a unique balance. That's why purples, from soft lilac to deep plum, are so flattering. They add a touch of drama while still looking natural and wearable. Golds, bronzes, and coppers are called analogous colors. They sit next to brown on the wheel and enhance the warmth already present in your eyes, making them glow. Metallics are especially magical. They catch the light, reflect golden flecks, and create a radiant glowing effect that draws attention to your eyes. Using these shades can make your eyes look brighter, more lively, and full of personality. It's like giving your eyes their own spotlight on stage. It might sound a bit like science class, but the results are pure magic. Your eyes will truly stand out. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play with contrast and harmony to discover which looks make you feel most confident and beautiful. The color wheel is your secret tool for creating eye-catching, unforgettable makeup looks. So let's use it to our advantage and have some fun with color. Ready to make your brown eyes pop and shine like never before? Let's get creative. Let's build the golden gaze, step by step. Start with eyeshadow primer on your lids. It keeps everything in place. Use a fluffy brush and sweep a matte brown, just darker than your skin, into your crease for depth. Now, the star. Shimmery gold eyeshadow. Pat it onto your eyelid with your finger for maximum shine. Instantly, your eyes look brighter. Add definition with a bronze or copper shadow in the outer corner, blending into the crease and along the lash line. This creates warmth and a subtle smokiness. For eyeliner, choose dark brown for a softer look. Draw a thin line along your top lashes and smudge slightly. Curl your lashes to open up your eyes. Finish with a couple of coats of black or brown mascara on top and bottom lashes. And there you have it. A perfectly engineered golden gaze. This look is bright, warm, and flattering for any occasion. Simple steps, stunning results. Try it out and see your brown eyes shine. Ready for the next invention? Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment. The golden gaze is your new go-to. Let's move on to something bolder. Time for the purple passion, a bold head-turning look. Start with primer for a smooth base. Sweep a soft mauve or light pinky brown into your crease as a transition shade. Choose your purple, shimmery lavender for softness or deep plum for drama. Press the purple onto your lid, building up the color below the crease. Add a darker plum or eggplant shade to the outer corner and blend into the crease for depth. Smudge a bit of the dark shade along your lower lash line for balance. Blending is key. Aim for a soft, smoky transition. Use black eyeliner for a crisp wing along your top lashes. Curl your lashes and apply plenty of black mascara. The contrast will make your brown eyes pop. This look is perfect for nights out or when you want to stand out. Don't be afraid to go bold. Purple is your friend. With a little practice, you'll master this dramatic style. Give it a try and see the difference. The purple passion is sure to turn heads. Your brown eyes have never looked so striking. Ready for more tips? Great makeup is versatile. Let's adjust our looks for day and night. Whether you're heading to a morning meeting or getting ready for a night out, a few simple changes can completely transform your style and confidence. For daytime golden gaze, keep it light. Use one shimmery gold shadow to brighten your lids, a soft brown liner for gentle definition, and a single coat of mascara to open up your eyes without looking overdone. This look is all about enhancing your natural beauty with a subtle, radiant touch. It's fresh, quick, and perfect for work, running errands, or coffee with friends. You'll look polished and awake, ready to take on the day with confidence. For evening, add bronze or chocolate shadow to the outer corner and crease for depth. This instantly creates a sultry, more dramatic effect that's ideal for dinners, parties, or any special event. Swap to black liner and add a dramatic wing. The bold line lifts your eyes and adds instant glamour, making your look pop under evening lights. Layer on more mascara for extra volume and drama, and dab a touch of glittery gold in the center of your lid for a sparkling, eye-catching finish. This little detail catches the light beautifully and makes your eyes the star of the show. For daytime purple passion, use a light lavender or lilac for a sheer wash of color. This soft hue gives your eyes a gentle, playful vibe that's perfect for everyday wear. Skip the dark shades and use a soft gray or plum liner. Smudge gently for a diffused, romantic look. It's easy to apply and forgiving if you're in a rush. It's pretty and subtle, great for everyday wear, whether you're at school, work, or just out and about. This look is understated, but still lets your personality shine through. For night, bring out the deep purples and plums, blending into a smoky eye. This adds instant drama and makes your eyes look mysterious and captivating. Add black winged liner and smudge purple along the lower lash line for extra intensity. This step really defines your eyes and gives a bold, unforgettable finish. False lashes are the cherry on top for maximum drama. They instantly elevate your look and make your eyes appear bigger and more expressive. With just a few tweaks, you can take your look from day to night in minutes. It's all about building on your base and adding a little extra flair when you need it. Adapt and invent. Make each look your own. Don't be afraid to try new color combinations or techniques until you find what feels right for you. Your brown eyes are ready for any occasion, from casual days to glamorous nights. With these tips, you'll always have a look that fits the moment. Experiment and see what suits you best. Makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself. So play, explore, and let's keep going. New to makeup? Here are some simple tips. Invest in a few good brushes, a fluffy blender, a flat shader, and a small detail brush. Tap off excess eyeshadow before applying to avoid fallout. Build color in thin layers for a smooth finish. Don't be afraid to use your fingers for shimmery shadows. They pack on color beautifully. Practice makes perfect. Try new looks when you have time to experiment. Makeup is fun and washes off, so don't stress about mistakes. Every great inventor starts with a few wobbly tries. Enjoy the process and keep playing with color. Your skills will grow with each attempt. You've got this. Even the best inventors make mistakes. Here's how to avoid the most common ones. Always blend your eyeshadow, no harsh lines. Choose a concealer just 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation to avoid a ghostly look. Avoid heavy black eyeliner all around the eyes. It can make them look smaller. Use softer colors on the lower lash line and smudge for a smoky effect. Don't forget your eyebrows. They frame your eyes. Brush them into place and fill in any gaps for a polished finish. Small tweaks make a big difference. Keep your look balanced and natural. Learn from mistakes and keep improving. Onward to your best look yet. What a journey! We've explored the best ways to make brown eyes shine. They're not plain. They're full of warmth, depth, and hidden sparkle. From golden gaze to purple passion, you've got a toolkit of looks to try. The color wheel is your secret weapon. Use contrast and harmony to your advantage. You don't need to be a pro. Just practice, play, and have fun. Start with primer, build in layers, and blend well. Be bold, experiment, and enjoy the process. Your brown eyes are a gift. Let them shine. Makeup is your tool for invention and self-expression. Now go out and show the world your brilliant brown eyes. And maybe treat yourself to a bit of cheese. You've earned it.